Okay guys, we're at the Troll Rock, it's called. The old story is that the big troll put the rock here. It's called Troll Hand, Bålasteinen. It's a really big rock. You can see in the sign there. Trollhand, Bålasteinen. This is the rock. Look at that massive rock. Really big. And it's pretty strange that a rock just turns up here like that. It must have come from somewhere. Maybe it rolled down the mountain and landed here. It was pretty nice to see. You can see the troll hand there, squeezed. The rock killed the troll, maybe. It's a really big rock, just standing here in the middle of the forest. That's really cool. It is. I don't think it's any special story behind this rock, but it's really strange that a rock just can turn up here like that. Must have been thousands of years since, just in the middle of nowhere. Really cool. It is. It's pretty big, as you can see. I think the rock is probably, let's see, maybe 8 meters high. Between 6 to 8 meters. Think about the weight. My God. If you get this over you, then you're dead, for sure. Not even Superman can handle this rock. It's really big. Really cool. In the middle of nowhere. Really strange. You can see. It's really cool that a rock just is here. See it from distance here. Look at that, in the middle of nowhere, inside the forest. Huge rock, 8 meters high, maybe 4 or 5 meters wide. Cool. And it's called Trollhand, Bålasteinen. And how are the sound, guys? Is it any good? The wireless go. Mountain on my jacket. I'm not sure there's anything to see here. But it's pretty wet and I only have sneakers on me. Just gonna see a little bit what it's all about. There's nothing to see here. I'm gonna walk a little bit. It's really wet. And it's called the Rabbit Top. It should be a bunch of rabbits here, but I don't think it is. I don't know why they call it. We can check it out and see. It's quite a lot of wind now. Gonna be fun to see how the wireless Go 2 is doing in the wind. Probably pretty good. Let's walk this way. Let's see what's up here. Well, we can sit down and relax a little bit. Oh, it's wet. Wet, wet, wet. I'm a little bit scared of meeting some snakes. They're not dangerous at all, but it isn't fun to step on them. Oh, this looks nice. Let's go up here and see. Always great, guys, to go out, use the nature, enjoy it. Be outside. Let's see. It's nothing special up here, but why not? We have the time. I have to be back at my car in an hour or so. Nice to burn some calories. Look at the view, guys. Really nice. I'm gonna walk on those mountain tops. I think you start on the left side and walk all the way to the right side and down again. Look at this nice nature. Let's walk up here. See if there are any rabbits up here. I don't think so. I haven't spotted any wild rabbits in Norway yet, but I think there are. I'm not sure. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Let's see if there's any nice view up here. And it's starting to blow a little bit. Nice. This is so fun. The most fun to go on hikes is to go places you've never been before. Let's go up here and sit down. I've forgotten to take coffee with me today, so that's bad. This hike wasn't planned. Just did it. Oh, look here. Nice. It is really nice. I think I'm gonna fly a little bit. This is quite a lot of military area, so you have to be a little bit careful when flying. And it's quite windy, so I'm not gonna fly too much. We're gonna fly a little bit. Yes, I'm gonna sit down and unpack my drone. So guys, we get a nice flight with my Mini 2. I didn't fly too much because it's pretty windy, and this place is it's pretty much not pretty much, it's a lot of traffic in the air in this area, so I don't want to fly too much and too high. So but I did got a nice flight, and the Mini 2 is just amazing. The only thing I hope for with the next generation of the Mini drone is obstacle avoidance and a little more powerful motors maybe, and some and of course a bigger sensor. That's really important, because I think the image quality is a little bit limited. It's good, but it could be much better. So that's what I'm hoping for. But thank you so much for watching my video. This was a little bit of everything, a little bit hiking, a little bit flying. So thank you so much, and please subscribe. Drone in Nature. See you next time. Bye bye.